gonna say?
Yeah, I'm shaking. Holy crap! I thought they were never gonna come. I forgot how cool that feels.
Yes.
Hey, we got 1, 2, 3. Down. Oh my gosh, I forgot what that feels like.
That took forever.
It took way too long.
That man behind the camera.
That was quick.
He's a genius. But yes. You're excited. How's your hands? Your hands cold?
Well, this one I can't feel, but I kept trying to put it in. You're like, don't. I'm like, I have to. I'm not gonna be able to pull the trigger.
Holy cow! You got feathers everywhere. I got the smallest beard, or I shut it off. One of the two.
Woohoo!
I'll go get Todders.
He's working. He's busy.
Hey, don't be switching turkeys.
He's getting that little beard.
And here's Todd.
Oh, you shot your beard
you shot
off.
Your beard.
You shot the beard off. That's partially there. It's partially there.
Turkey nuggets round 2.
Look
That's
at
what this
this,
looks
huh?
like.
Look at this. Is this just gorgeous or what? Beautiful.
Oh
morning
yeah,
like
with
this.
little frost on the grass.
They do shine. Look
They
at
do
that.
look like a peacock feathers.
Yeah, it's very similar. Probably
Yeah.
peacock, probably in the same family
Yeah.
of sorts, but they sure are pretty, aren't
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks again,
they?
Pops.
So start to finish,
We
babe.
did it.
That's 2 times. Oh!
Yeah.
I was like, can you see him up in a tree? Can you see him up? And at first you didn't see him, did you?
I'm like, oh, my
There's
eyes were closed.
the black dots way up
Yeah.
on the hill. Then when
Once
they,
it started to
one
get
flapped a
yeah,
little bit, I saw you guys.
And then it took me a while to see the hen that you were talking about over there.
Yeah, she was the one who busted us.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? Get him and get out of here?
Time for pancakes.
Pancakes and waffles. You remember how to carry him?
Yes, I do.
Over the shoulder. Oh, look at you go. You're like a pro. Got a gun? I am. Pancakes myself. I think it'd be a good idea
Yeah.
right now.
Pancakes and a nap.
A nap?
Oh yeah.
It's too early for a nap.
It was too early to wake up.
Yeah, it's too early to wake up. I got that.